Hello, my name is Dinus Mickle, and this is my introductory video uh, introducing the adz-world plugin. Today is the day that I'm going to be submitting the adz-world plugin to the WordPress.org repository. And the WordPress.org repository is free software only, so we have a free version. And you're allowed to create premium versions, which a lot of people do. And I've got both. It's taken about 10 months to get to this point where I can release the plugin and show you around and tell you what it does and how it works. And it's really exciting because the plugin involves making money, but making ethical money. The plugin involves advertising, but consent-based, mutually consent-based advertising. What did I call it? Permission-based advertising is what I called it. So basically what the plugin does is it allows you to create a healthy it allows you to create a healthy advertising ecosystem on your homepage, and it allows website publishers to treat their websites like television stations. So right now, sort of an issue is people post their content, maybe they post it on YouTube, and there are advertisements on YouTube, and if you're pretty big, you can, I guess apparently you make some good money, but YouTube takes most of the profits from the advertisements that are served on YouTube's platform. Okay, well, you know, what if you could be YouTube, and what if you could be sort of more like YouTube? Because YouTube's done a lot for humanity. We don't want to sort of take away from YouTube's success, but with the adz-world plugin, you can create a healthy, mutually consensual, permission-based advertising ecosystem on your homepage. And basically, you can run a website like a TV station. You basically require advertising views in exchange for content. Okay, so let's look at some of the technical things. Now, I've got 4 websites open. I've got the backend open of curetonitis.org. I've got the backend open of onlineconservatory.com, which we're launching in the fall. The backend open of bibleexperts.com and earthsouls.com. It's going to go back to the regular dashboard of earthsouls, and I'm going to do a few different things. Now, curetonitis.org has the adz-world plugin installed, and it's the premium version. So I'll be able to show the difference between the free version and the premium version. Got some advertisements in here. And actually, at the time right now, one of the advertisements is serving, and it's serving on the sitemap page. And this is sort of the header and footer, which can be, the color of it can be changed, and the text of it can be changed, that type of thing. But I'm going to go ahead and click continue. And then you'll see that it's kind of, I mean, it's basically a content blocker, but it's a content blocker with the intention of creating a healthy advertising ecosystem. And it allows visitors to express their preferences to the adz-world plugin and receive offers for things that they're actually interested in. And then when you're getting the offer for something that you're interested in, you can support the publishers that you like. Maybe that's clear, maybe that's not yet clear, but sort of one of the main intentions is, let's say I want to buy a new shirt, but I'm really interested in the Bible. If I'm surfing bibleexperts.com, and I let adz-world know that I'm interested in buying a new shirt, then if I purchase my shirt while I'm accessing the content at bibleexperts.com, then bibleexperts.com will receive its fair affiliate commission. It's fair percentage of the sale of the purchase that I made, for example, at Amazon.com. Now, I'm not sure if that's come across clearly yet, but let's go ahead and do, I'm doing kind of a combination launch video and technical support guide / technical support kind of video. So right now, what I just done is I wanted to just install the premium version of the plugin at onlineconservatory.com, but I had forgotten to disable. Do you just need to deactivate? Okay, so here's adz-world premium. No, I'm just going to delete them both. I'm going to deactivate premium. It's a previous version. It says, do you want to delete adz-world premium and its data? Well, actually, we kind of keep the data safe from WordPress in this sense. So whenever, if you're ever updating and uploading and at least our plugin, you know, our plugin's going to be fine even if you delete it, is the way that we have that going on. So here's Online Conservatory. I'm activating the plugin, and it's activated, and I have the menu now, and I'm not sure if we have any ads running for adz-world. We don't have any adz-world ads. We do have some curetonitis.org ads. Here's Bible Experts, and what I'm going to go ahead and do is tools. I'm going to make sure that we're doing the latest version, and if you're installed plugins, and I think that Earth Souls doesn't have, oh, I didn't think that Earth Souls had the plugin installed at all. Okay, well, I'm going to deactivate it at Bible Experts. Oh, but it was, oh, activate. Oh, well, let's see. Fine. Because I'm deleting the adz-world plugin on Bible Experts just to make sure that we have the latest version. And it says, run your website like a TV station by requiring ads views in exchange for access to content. There, but on BibleExperts.com, we're going to use the free version. And I'm pretty sure, is that one in 2018? Here's adz-world zip yesterday. This is going to be the latest version. Upload. Bang. Now, a lot of times people, you know, try to quote unquote kill two birds with one stone, and maybe I'm trying to, you know, knock out 7 birds with one stone by showing you know, this many sites at the same time. But let's see, it's 1 o'clock. I need to pick up my daughter at 1:40. I don't know how much I can do in 10 minutes if I think about it, but we will do our best. adz-world zip. Install now. Now, I am not sure if all of these publishers have gone through the registration process. Whoops. But you do need to register the plugin for it to work. This one's registered. adz-world settings. Bible Experts is certainly registered. I know that. Online Conservatory, are you registered? Even if I'm not taking you directly through the registration process, I'll show you the screen. there's accept terms of service and registration. Now we have a pretty detailed terms of service and data protection compliance mandate. Oh, look at that. We can fill it out for, online conservatory is not registered. Okay, so let's say you just installed the free plugin. You need to accept our terms of service. One of the biggest issues, or one of the biggest requirements, is that publishers accept that our plugin, it takes your advertisements and stores them on our server and serves them from our server. We're not going to be able to get it to work if we don't do that, because our goal is for people to be able to start expressing their desires regarding advertisements, and we want to serve people only what they want and what they're interested in. Now, the way that the adz-world plugin is designed is that there are publisher ads, network ads, and visitor ads. The publisher ads, look, let's say I'm surfing a website. Let's say I'm surfing curetinnitus.org. I'm surfing curetinnitus.org, and this one is actually a network ad, but I'm going to click continue. And I think that it makes sense to view it as a kind of conversation. So the publisher interests are also worthwhile, right? So you're going to see an advertisement for a tinnitus roadmap e-course, which you see here, right? And it's going to come up, and a publisher gets to say, hey, if I've put in all this work and effort and I provide this wonderful information for you, I'd like to be able to sell you something. I'd like to offer you something. So that's sort of the publisher's interest. The network interest is, the coordinator, and our goal is to improve the quality of the advertising ecosystem globally, right? So we've got publisher, network, and what about visitor? And this is the super neat thing about adz-world. What adz-world is going to enable publishers to do, and website visitors, is, for example, if I am interested in the Bible, right? And let's go ahead, and before this next ad comes in at curetinnitus.org, I'm going to go to one of my dad's lectures. And he's going to start lecturing and telling us about the Bible. Turn on a little audio so we can hear him.
Thank you. You are so kind. Oh, that's wonderful. Listen, the Lord is my shepherd. I'll make a big fuss over him.
The Lord is my shepherd.
The Lord is my shepherd. And therefore, if the Lord is my shepherd, what follows? I shall not want. Well,
I shall not want. Very interesting. That was an accident. So here's my dad talking. And I might need to clear the cache because I reinstalled the plugin. So I'm going to go ahead and just purge the cache at Bible Experts and reset the file permissions just to kind of be sure that we see an advertisement. So at BibleExperts.com, I'm registered. But at Online Conservatory, I'm not registered yet, so I'm going to go ahead and put my PayPal email address in there. It's dinus@dinus.net. I don't think I'm going to get any spam. What should my adz-world email be? I mean, I guess please enter my ads. What would be one of my... Oh, it doesn't have to be unique anymore. So I will just add dinus@adz-world.com, which is another one. And in my referral code, that's if somebody refers you to the software and you want to make sure that that person gets credit, then definitely let us know who referred you. On Amazon, let's say, and let's save, and let's register the Online Conservatory at adz-world. Okay, so Now, please register first to see these settings. You should be registered. Pause the video for a second. Okay. So, I'm watching, this video. I'm interested in the Bible, and this actually is currently set as a network ad at Bible Experts, and the video will be interrupted, and you'll be required to watch the lecture, or watch the information. I'm sorry, it's a little bit emotional for me because this was a project that my dad and I were going to do together, and anyway, there he is, and now instead of needing to charge for the lectures that he left behind after his passing, I can create BibleExperts.com, and I can serve Christian and Bible and religious related advertisements to the Bible Experts visitors and audience. And the idea is for the plugin, see, look at that, for the plugin to make to guarantee the sustainability and the continued usability and it's supposed to finance the website BibleExperts.com, because now if a visitor clicks on Bibles.com and goes here and purchases the CEV Outrage Bible right here, then BibleExperts.com will receive a commission. That's actually pretty much all the time I have today. I'm going to do a follow-up video. I guess I'm not going to let this. And you know what? Even though I've been rambling and I saw my dad and I got a little bit emotional, I'll sort of quickly say. So here I'm logged in. I didn't need to add a new ads. Add new ads. I put that there. That's my spelling. Here's create ads rotation. Just really quickly, right at the end of this, you can click. You can get the premium version from within the free version, and you can make an ads rotation name. You can select whichever page you want it to be on. And if I say something like Genesis, then all the pages with the word Genesis in the title will come up. But this one, I'm not actually wanting to select specific pages. I just chose the category Old Testament. In the category Old Testament, I have an ads rotation named Papa-02. Tags are, do we even have any tags? Tags you can put on pages and I think, or on posts, and I think also on pages or something like that. But you can also use, and I think it's called the taxonomy, but anyway, big deal. If you tag it, ad for wireless speakers, then you could put that in. Or you could just tag it like sports or something like that. Showing ads to guests, show it in sequence. If you choose, I'm just choosing in sequence because I only have one ad. It's showing this Bible 2, seconds of ads is 10, seconds of browsing is 61. Am I going to show the ad in a pop-up? Am I going to show it within the page / post or on a through page? Now with the through pages, it's a really, really, really powerful way to create online courses and generate advertising revenue with online courses. The through page is basically like, you do your intro, hi, this is what your course is about, please move on to module 2. And then when you move on to module 2, before you consume the content, you watch, here's a word from our commercial sponsors. Boom, and there you go. You're prompted to move on to chapter 2. You see an advertisement, and then you do the course. So it's really good for something like a free line for people that provide free courses and would like maybe students or clients they're wanting to engage people in kind of a paid relationship, and they have free content, but that free content, why not, if, for example, if it's an art class and it's an online art class, it would make a lot of sense to buy the appropriate markers or the appropriate brushes is the word that I was looking for. But anyway, within page post is what we're seeing right now here at BibleExperts.com. Within page, essentially, then according to the timing here, it shows you the advertisement in accordance with the specifications that you set. I'm looping it infinite times. Excuse me. You can tell it to repeat a particular number of times. So for example, if you wanted it to show twice, that would be an interesting thing for within page post. You would say something like 10 seconds of ads, maybe 600 or 700 or 800 or however, maybe you want to do it 10 minutes, which would be 600 seconds. And then you'd only want to repeat the ad twice, and you'd put it on a very specific category or page where people are looking at particular information. So you're looking at how to draw, and you need the right pencil, and that pencil ad is going to come twice while they're consuming that content. And as you can see, all of a sudden, the website is becoming a lot more like a TV show. It's becoming much more like a TV station. And in this one, when you're using the free version, the only difference between the free version, or they kind of two, but the difference between the free version and the premium version is advertisement placement and revenue sharing. If you're using the free version, then we share space and revenue. Initially, we're going to do that really, really discreetly. And what we're hoping to move to is a kind of situation where people are like, wait, a network ad can give a publisher, $500 if somebody goes off and does a test drive for this cool new car, and then they actually lease or purchase the car, and then, publishers wind up with $1,000 or $500 commission. That's kind of down the line. But right now, the premium version, what it does is it allows you to have exact control over what ads are shown, and you get all of the revenue. Okay, so free version is revenue sharing, and paid version is exact control. I mean, I would even like put a ticker on it. Like if we wind up if the network winds up making more than the software costs, we'll let you know, right? Okay, so that's it for now. One thing I think the way that I'll share, so if a publisher is using the free version, and you do like a standard ad where we can do the same ad, the way that we're going to do it is you're going to serve the ad and we're going to serve the ad. You're going to serve the ad, the publisher's going to serve the ad, and then the network is going to serve the ad. And it's the same ad and it's the same experience for the visitors. And that's how we're thinking that, that the free version will be able to sort of get along. Right now, in terms of, I do have a network-wide ad running, and it's this sort of manifestation thing that may not be sort of the general ad that kind of anybody wouldn't mind seeing, but that's kind of what we're looking for. And if you have an ad like that where it's just like, oh, it's an ad for soap or something like that, kind of like you're watching TV, right? the kind of ad where you're like, okay, maybe I'll get that soap. You know, we don't really, it's not really that big of an interruption and not that intensely content related. Like, oh, buy a new car, right? That's what sort of the network, where the network is headed. So I really appreciate your time and attention, and thank you very much. And let me know how this has impacted you, what you think, if you want to give the plugin a try, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.